2008 Acura MDX with technology package and rear entertainment system, aluminum alloy wheels, side step running boards, tinted windows, all-wheel drive, third row seating, power tailgate, it's well-kept black leather interior, DVD player, heated second row seating with climate controls, headphone jacks, video inputs. Power windows, locks, and mirrors with memory driver's seat. Heated front seats, premium audio system with subwoofer, 6-disc in-dash changer, 90-day free trial of Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, backup camera, hands-free Bluetooth, automatic headlights, steering wheel controls, just over 146,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us.